Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Sparkle Diva, who's from latest season of Fortnite OG. So let's get in there. Go to the top. So Sparkle Diva is one of the main characters in the latest season. So I'm going to just do like the hair. It's got little sort of buns going on here. So I'm just going to draw a little sort of circular element for the left-hand side of one. Ink in there. Just going to sort of show a couple of little lines to show like the little band that goes between it. On the other side here, I'm probably going to go to about this point here. Nice sort of circular element around there again. And then what I can do, sort of draw sort of like a middle parting going on. So probably about sort of that point, we can just draw like a nice curve up there. Sort of comes down beyond that point there. And we can draw one right this way, go around here, just go around the area we've just drawn there. So we've got that sort of the buns, the hair, and that middle parting going on. Right, I think before we get into a bit of detail, I might just start putting the glasses in. So this version of the skin's got the glasses that sort of point outwards. So what I'm going to do is put a dot about there. What I'm then going to do is just draw outwards with the pen. Just a nice sort of straight line there. And on this side, let's try and get it on camera. I'm going to come out, sort of come out beyond or almost to that point of that part of the hair there. So the face is sort of coming out this way. Then what I can do is sort of draw a nice line down here. Sort of square it off a bit here. Then we're going to draw a little triangle in the middle. So just go up and down, it goes above the nose. And then another line there. And then what we can do is just cap that off on the edge there. Maybe what I'll do is just sort of just fill that in a little bit so it's a little bit more consistent. There's a little band around it. So I'm just going to just draw around the edges. Just sort of caps it off either side. And then what I'm going to do is just colour it in. I might just leave a little sort of chip line of white there to kind of show the light balancing. There we go. That's pretty cool. Now I've got that bit in, what I can just look at doing is the rest of the hair here. So this middle parting sort of comes down to about here. There's a line down there, just goes to the glasses. And then got a couple of bits of hair coming out this side, sort of swooshing out. It's almost like the fringe area, it's a different colour. So I've got one little bit going around this way. Sort of just line that up with a piece down there. And then we've got another piece sort of coming, I guess, sort of down this way, like that. And then there's also like a supporting little bit goes in there. Just under there, I'm just gonna give a hint of eyebrows. So just sort of fairly square eyebrows there. Just a little hint of those. And now I've got those in, I can look at the rest of the face. So I've got an ear going on here. So the glasses actually go to the back there. And I've got a little ear sort of around here. And then I've got the mouth area. So I've got the chin probably about this point here. So what I'm going to do is just get my pen, just draw in a nice sort of heart shape to a chin. Bring my pen up there, nice in one go. Yeah, I got that in there. So just gonna just round that off a bit. Nice little heart shape. Mouth. Chin around there, that's good. Then we're gonna just draw in those lips. So kind of just, I guess like a little M. And then a little curve underneath that. And I'm just gonna give a hint of a nose. So just a couple of dots there for the nose. I think that's pretty cool. There we go. Right, I'm gonna draw the neck area now. So I'm gonna just come down either side here. So one side sort of from the chin area down like that. And then one sort of just in a little bit further there. And we can draw a nice collar. And all we need to do is just draw a nice sort of curve around that way. And the collar sort of comes out. So just pop it out either side a little bit. And then we'll just join up that. So we're just showing that collar going there. Right, now I'm gonna pop the shoulders in. So we've got sort of diagonal shoulders sort of going this way. So I just need to sort of draw in the shoulders, sort of quite wide, sort of firm sort of shoulder area there. And then I'm going to come in this way. I'm going to just bring my pen in along that way there. Right, got those bits in there. This arm sort of goes down and pops out of a hand here. And this way, this arm sort of popping out down here. So what I'll do is let's try and get the torso area in. So the underarm or arm part, I guess, is about there on this point. Just going to sort of draw a little hint of arm in there. And I'll just draw a little line in, a little taper there. On this side, it sort of it comes down here, sort of the top area, sort of curves around here and downwards. We can just join these two elements up now. So this is like the sort of crop top t-shirt that Sparkle Diva's wearing. And then what I can do is just draw the hip area. So I've got the hip area sort of curves around this way. So there's a belt area here. So I just need to pop a little diagonal there and here. I'm just going to do a slight curve diagonal down like that. Got a belt in the middle here, like I say, so I've got a nice rectangle just on a bit of an angle here, like that. And then I can just create the belt area. So I think I'm going to curve around here, come out sort of further than those hip areas. Let's do the same on the other side actually. Bring your pen out, sort of like that. Curve it around there. And then just join it up at the bottom area. So one there and one along like that. Cool, now I've got that bit in. Let's look at the sort of curved area of the hips going down to the legs. So the knees are about here. So what I'm going to do, the legs sort of come together here and sort of just pop out a little bit there. The stance that the skin's taking. So I'm going to get the hip here, curve it out and then inwards. And on this side, I'm going to do the same sort of thing, curve it out and then inwards like that. Right, cool, so I've got those sort of hips in. The midpoint is probably about this point here. So what I'm going to do now is just draw this leg sort of is coming just over a little bit on the other side. So just going to bring my pen, just curve it down to a knee area about there. Okay, just going to pop the little edges in there. And then I can go down and just draw these sort of flared trousers here. So this knee's coming down this way to about sort of this point here. So calf muscles around here, curve it out, come in and then flare out. And on this side, we sort of come in and we flare out there. And then we can draw a nice sort of curve, just join it all up there. On this side, the leg's more coming sort of down, so it goes a bit further than this point here, to about this point here. So I'm just going to grab my pen, go to the knee area and come in and then flare it out. And we see a little bit of the leg flaring out here, so I guess it's sort of around that point there. Comes down beyond this point here. So just have it sort of flaring out there, and then we'll just do a nice curve sort of area around there. Okay, just get the shoes in, sort of like quite chunky soled shoes. So I've got 1 foot out here, 1 foot coming down here. So I'm just going to draw this one first. I'm going to come down, curve out around here and up. Just sort of pop that chunky sole in there. There's a couple of like little blocks in there, so just pop those like that. And on here, we can go straight down sort of around here, like that. Curve it in where the heel is. Then we're going to come outwards like that, where the front of the foot is. Chunk it up a bit with a nice square here. And then what we'll do, we'll just curve it around and inwards there. And then what we'll do is we'll just draw in a couple of little curves, and we can do that like block effect that the skin's got around like that there. Okay, let's go back up here. Let's finish these arms off. This one's coming out here. So what I need to do is sort of draw the outer part of the arm here. So it's going to come sort of downwards to about the fold of the, or the crease of the arm here. So I'm going to bring my pen down to about there. Then I need to come out sort of a jacket that the character's wearing. So it's going to come outwards like that. Curve around, go back up and in there. And that's like the jacket area sorted. Got the lower forearm here, and then it goes to a glove. So we're just going to taper in either side like that, just come in a little bit from the jacket. Then we'll just cap it off about there, and the glove comes out here. So what we'll do is we'll just draw sort of underneath the thumb, come out like this and in, cap it off there. So we've got the thumb area. Then I can just come out here, just draw a finger in like that, and back and in. And then what I can do is just give a hint of another finger under there, curve it around and up, and then there's fingers underneath, and I can just sort of denote those by the 1, 2, 3, and then another little one there, in there, and a nice little curve, and we've got this gloved hand in. On this side, I'm going to come downwards to the elbow, so the elbow sort of comes up from the belt to about there. So I'm just going to draw from the underarm, nice straight line, curve around to slightly pointed elbow, come upwards like that. This is the edge of the jacket. Nice curve and down. Then I can draw the forearm, so it tapers in again to the glove, which the glove's probably about here. So just get your pen, just taper it up here. Same on this side, just taper it up there. Now I've got that in there, it's almost like blowing a kiss here. So I'm going to draw the outer part of the palm area of the hand first of all. So I'm going to sort of come in around here, so like underneath of the thumb to the palm, around like that and around. Then I've got a thumb up here, so it's a bit wobbly, but I'm going to draw the thumb area there. So one thumb there. Then I've got a finger coming out there, so just flip out the pen a little bit, curve it around. Got another one here, just finish that line off in the middle there. Got another finger here, and another one here, like that. And then what I can do is just curve around, sort of just nice sort of curves going on, just to show the fingerless glove. Another one on the thumb there, and then we'll just sort of give a hint of the nails. There we are there. And then I can just bring that up, a nice curve up there. Maybe we'll just sort of cap it off so it's a bit better there. All right, just join up the little gap. And then there's a jacket here. So there's a zip in the middle. So I'm just gonna pop 2 lines there. And then I'm gonna draw 2 lines again, one here, one there. And there's like a zip at the end. So I'm just gonna taper out like a little sort of zip area. And then I'm going to bring the jacket down so it comes down to about there, curves around, and about here, just curves out and around again. And then we've got the sort of flared, like almost like star sort of sparkle detail on the t-shirt. So I'm just going to do a little arrow down there, go up to the center and down, back up, and then we'll curve around there. Okay, maybe we'll just pop a little bit of detail on the edges of that jacket like that. Maybe the zip as well, we can just draw some little lines to denote that. The middle of the belt, we can just draw a couple of bits of detail like that. Maybe the belt's got a couple of things on it like this. Some curves coming out for detail on the trousers, so just 1, 2. And then there's a little sort of pattern going on this side here, so it just sort of comes in and out, sort of zigzag, out like that, zigzag, and a bit more going on around here. Right, just gonna edge around my character a little bit, just make it pop a little touch. Just gonna sort of make that jacket area kind of pop. Just make sure I've got my outline nice and like firmed up. There's a little bit of a detail in the hair, so I'm just gonna sort of just draw a couple of curves out, a few little like areas of detail there. Then I think I'm pretty happy with where I've got to. Maybe we'll just fill in this area here, and maybe in the jacket, t-shirt area, sort of crop top part. That'd be quite nice, just sort of inked in. underneath there. And I think what I might do is just sort of add just a little bit of sort of a touch of hair colour on there, so just sort of bring it around. Come out here, so you're sort of just getting that nice sort of dark hair in there. Nice. Okay, so you've got some nice popping areas there. Now there's a lot of like disco element sort of squares in the jacket, so I'm maybe just sort of gonna pop my pen down in the middle there. Just draw in some nice lines like this. Keep it really sort of the same, and then we can just go across the other side. So we've got these sort of squares going on, just to give that impression of that kind of block effect, just nice and lightly. I think that makes a nice difference, adds a bit of detail and contrast to our picture. Same goes with the trousers. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to just draw these nice sort of lines coming down here. Be nice and sort of loose. And then what I can do is just do the same sort of thing, just bring in those squared elements. I think that takes it to the next level. What I might just do is just give a hint of these boots a little bit darker as well. They have black boots, just give a hint of that going on. Okay, that's cool. This will come around here. I might just colour that top bit here, just make them look like they're more sort of boot-like. Yeah, that's cool. There we go. And there we have it. So there we go. That is Sparkle Diva on Art Draw. Sparkle Diva is from Fortnite OG. So let me know what you think. Let me know who else I can draw. And we'll keep on going. I'll see you soon on Art Draw. Bye for now.